Are you trying to update, download, or install Efootball 2023 from the Google Play Store and it keeps showing a can't install or download, try again? Updating your Efootball 2023 is not complicated, but if you found the Efootball not getting installed or if you can't update it from your Google Play Store, watch this video and learn some pro tips and tricks to solve your problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, follow this. You can enable airplane mode for 15 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting. Scroll down, tap Developer option. Scroll down and find out an option called Wi-Fi Scan Throttling. Also enable Always Keep Mobile Data on. After solving internet issues on your Android device, open Google Play Store. Tap Profile, tap Setting, tap Network Preference, tap App Update. Choose over any network. Tap Done. Now tap About. Scroll down. Tap Update Play Store. After this, now check your problem. If you still found the same problem and can't install the Efootball game on your Android device, you need to open the Google Play Store. Now tap the search. Now type Efootball 2023. Now tap Update. After following all the processes, you'll be able to solve your problem. Now, if you still can't download or install the Efootball 2023 apps on your Android phone, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all later.